Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Abangers, so for today's video, meron tayong naispatan sa comment section natin at ang sabi niya is ayan. So, hinahamon ito ang ating cooking skills. Charot. So, magluluto tayo. And kung anong lulutuin natin, abangan nyo. Panoorin nyo to, guys. So, for today's video, guys, we will be making the keto cheeseburger casserole. And this is requested by one of our kaabangers. Gusto nilang makita ang aking baking skills. O, diba? So, we will be needing 8 eggs. And we have to mix the 8 eggs. So, yan. Batihin nating mabuti. Ayan. So, after we mix this very well, we will be adding 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. And we have to mix it again. And after this, we also need 8 ounce of tomato paste. So, lagay lang natin yan. So, what is keto, by the way? Keto is another dietary plan which is basically based on low carb, okay? So, my husband used to be on keto diet back then. And, you know, that was the time na marami akong time para magluto para sa kanya kung ano mang request niya, okay? Just to stick on his diet plan. But since we have a kid, medyo nahihirapan akong i-maintain yung diet niya. So, kahit ano na lang. But since medyo nahamon ng ating baking skills, so ito, ibabalik natin. And of course, mapapasaya ko for sure si Habi dito kasi medyo na-miss na din niya tong recipe na to. So, i-mix lang natin dito yung tomato paste. And once na-mix na yan, we will be needing as well these shredded cheddar cheese. And we need actually 12 ounces of cheese for this recipe. But for now, we will be using the 8 ounce dito sa mixture natin. Kasi yung 4 ounce ng cheese, we will be using that later on. Okay? So, after kong i-mix to, lagyan lang natin ng paminta at saka ng salt. And then, i-mix natin. And itabi muna natin tong mixture sa gilid. So, after this, kailangan ko din mag-saute in a while. So, magbabala tayo ng bawang dito. Kung gaano karaming bawang, depende sa inyo. Kung gusto niyang medyo garlicky, kasi yung husband ko hindi niya masyado bet yung garlicky. So, konting garlic lang yung gagamitin natin. And, anong klaseng meat ang gagamitin natin? We will be needing lean ground beef. Okay? Yung as in walang taba. Okay? So, i-mix lang natin yan dyan. I-saute natin. So, ayan na yung sabi ko sa inyo na lean beef, ground beef. So, saute-saute lang natin to. Intayin natin siyang maging golden brown. Okay? So, after na siyang maluto, siguro 10 minutes lang to eh. Okay? Hindi siya masarap pag overcook. Okay? So, after maluto niyan, i-drain lang natin siya. Make sure na matanggal yung mga sabaw-sabaw niya, yung tubig niya, yung sauce, kasi hindi natin kailangan yan mamaya. Kasi i-bake natin to. Okay? So, ayan, medyo nagtuturn na siya ng golden brown. And then, we will be putting also the onion powder for this. Okay? Onion powder yung kailangan niya. And actually, the keto dietary plan really works for me, or really works for my husband back then. So, kaya paborito niya to. So, ayan, luto na siya. Ganito dapat ang kulay niya, guys. So, i-strain lang natin siya para matanggal yung mga sauce or sabaw niya. And then, habang nandyan siya, habang dinidrain natin siya, magpiprito tayo ng bacon, okay? You can also do the air fry for the bacon. Mas madali sa akin tong prito dyan. So, ayan. So, I used 1 pound of bacon para dito sa recipe na to. And gagamitin natin siya sa mixtures. And then also for toppings later on. So, ayun guys. After maluto nitong bacon, pagsasama-samahin na natin sila dito sa baking pan ko, okay? So, ilalagay muna natin yung ground beef na niluto natin kanina. And then, after natin malagay yung ground beef, ihimay-himayin natin or dudurugin natin tong bacon na to na niluto ko. And then, after nan, imimix natin siya para make sure na spread out properly yung yung bacon sa buong dito sa buong baking pan na to. And then after natin to ma-mix, saka natin ibubuhos or ilalagay yung sauce mixtures na ginawa natin kanina. So make sure na evenly scattered yung sauce, okay? So ayan, o diba? Pak, ang sarap niyan. So remember earlier, we only used 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. So may natira pa tayong 4 ounces. Gagamitin natin ngayon yung 4 ounces on the toppings. Ayan. Pak, o diba? So after that, guys, kailangan nating na-preheat ko na yung oven and then it is 350 degrees and we have to bake this for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Ayan, guys. So abang-abang lang natin, guys, okay? Yumminess is the best. So 350 and then for 30 minutes ko lang siya ginawa. So abang-abangan nyo, guys. Make sure na hindi siya masusunog.
Should I have some now?
No. Leave that alone.
So, ayan guys, yung ating final product. And if you have any requests, please don't forget to leave your comments and please share and like. Bye!